everyone. I wanted to talk to you today about how to burn your candles properly and a couple of tips about what to do when it doesn't go according to plan. So whenever you first light a new candle, you should do it when you know you've got enough time, a good couple of hours, to leave the candle lit to let it burn the whole way across to the ends of the jar. If you don't have enough time, or sometimes that just doesn't work, what you'll find, and indeed one of the most common problems with candles, is that they won't burn the whole way to the edge and they'll start to tunnel to the bottom. Every time you light it, it will make the problem worse and worse. It'll just go deeper and deeper and you'll have all this leftover wax around the side that you won't get to use, and it seems like quite a waste of money. So there are a couple of things that you can try, and I saw this trick on YouTube and I thought it might be useful for you, and it's dead easy to do. You just need some tinfoil, which you can fold up into a rectangle, so fold it over a couple of times so you get quite a thick piece like this, quite a thick band. And then what you want to do is wrap it around the candle jar. Position it so that it is slightly above the rim of the jar, like this. You'll see why in a second. Wrap it around, and if you tuck the edge in, it will hold. So then what you want to do is start to fold over the edges. And what this does is keep the heat inside, and it ensures that the sides of the jars get hot enough to melt the wax the whole way across. Don't trim the wick before you do this. Leave it quite long in case it does get flooded with the molten wax, and keep an eye on it, and as soon as it starts to hit the sides of the jar, then blow it out, and next time you light it, it should burn the whole way across and solve that problem for you to save you having to waste a lot of wax. If you have candles at home which are already too far gone, or the tinfoil trick doesn't work, then what I do is take the leftover wax and use it in a wax burner or a wax melter. I know a lot of people have these, they're popular, and it's easy to do. All you do is just take a teaspoon, scrape out a little bit of the wax, put it in the wax melter, and it will still make your house smell gorgeous. And also it means that if you want to top up the fragrance, if you want it to be a bit stronger the next day, you just take another little teaspoon of the wax and you put it in, and you can use up the rest of the candle in that way. And that saves you having to waste a lot of product. Your house will still smell great and you'll still get plenty of value for money. And these are some tips that I found online that I tend to use that work. If you have any other tips that you think work, please share them and I'll pass them on to everybody else. And if you try this and it works, let me know, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.